Okay, so back on the Daimler again. I noticed the other day that the handbrake cable has dropped off its holder. Well, I mean, it's not quite right. The handbrake cable is held up halfway along its length by a support, which is here, and has come adrift from the car. So this cable runs from the handbrake down the front, obviously, and back to the sort of bell crank arrangement on the back axle, and then goes out to the two wheels, the calipers. But so it's supported in the middle in theory. But I say this support is broken, or at least the yeah, this bit's come undone. So it should be up here somewhere, but it's fallen down. So I need to fix that. I suspect. Well, yeah, I think there's a bit of steel bonded into the glass fibre of the body shell with a hole drilled through it, which is what this hook should attach to. So I'm suspecting that it's the steel that's broken. So I'm going to have to do something a bit more serious than just hooking it back on. Probably going to have to replace that steel embedded in the glass fibre and maybe drill a hole through the body and put in another attachment point. Anyway, let's have a proper look first and see what's going on. Okay, so here we go again, a bit further underneath this time. Car's jacked up, well supported on axle stands, just in case the jack gives way. So yeah, here's the strap. I think I made this from a piece of copper actually, I vaguely remember. Here's the attachment point, and it is indeed I think a piece of steel. This is the glass fibre of the body shell, so it's just at the base of the rear seat, and that has just pulled through. There's a if I can get the camera on the other side, you can see that, but yeah, it has just torn through. So I need to replace this, I think. There is actually looks like a nut and bolt through there, so maybe I can take away that one and fit a brand new one. Maybe made out of stainless steel. Okay, let's have a look inside. Okay, so I've got loads of junk in the car at the minute. Motorcycle gear and stuff. But I think it looks as if that screw should be down here somewhere. Okay, so I've managed to peel back the leather of the seat and the carpets, and sure enough, the screw is down there. Okay, so I must have put this screw in years ago. It looks as if it could be brass. I certainly would have made it brass if I'd done it now, or either that or stainless. So with a bit of luck, that should come out relatively easily. As I say, I think the strap was originally bonded into the glass fibre, but I must have put this in as a replacement myself probably 30 years ago. Anyway, let's see if I can get this out. I think if I can get a mole grip on this end, I should be able to undo the screw from the inside. Good. So it is a brass screw. Doesn't take much load, so the brass should be plenty strong enough. And sure enough, there's the bit of metal completely worn through. A little scrap of, actually this is aluminium, that's no good. There we go, the scrap of stainless steel. That'll certainly come out of there. So that should last a bit longer than this one did. Let's just run around there. Okay, let's grind a bit of this up. Okay, so that's the original. There's the replacement, stainless steel, so that's good. I've got this piece of wire, which is actually out of an HP printer, I think, that I dismantled before chucking it away. That is 3mm, or maybe slightly less, so it fits through there okay. So I'm going to make the hook out of this. Phew. Okay, so now I've got a little replacement plate and a new piece of wire to drop down to the hanger on the cable. I don't think this is stainless, unfortunately, but this is magnet and it's pretty magnetic. But still, so if it lasts another 30 years, that'll do me. Okay, I've got a 5mm stainless metric screw, so that will do. I'll use that to reattach this rather than the brass screw. Slightly stronger. Okay, I've got a 5mm penny washer. So I'll put it on the inside through the glass fibre and then through the drop down attachment and a washer and nut on the side. Nylock. Here's the screw sticking through. Stick a new one of these on. Washer and a nylock nut. That looks good. Yeah, much better. And it should last longer being stainless steel. Screw, nut and the little bracket. I'll just grease the universal joint and the cable while I'm down here. So the cable has a grease nipple on it. And then I'm done, I think. Okay, so that's fixed, I think. So thanks for watching.